Today, we're exploring one of the most significant architectural transformations in modern data engineering, the evolution from traditional data warehouses to data lakehouses. We'll trace the complete evolution from centralized database systems through data lakes to the modern lakehouse architecture, understanding the limitations that drove each transition and how Iceberg solves the fundamental challenges that plagued earlier approaches. Let's start with where most organizations begin their data journey: traditional databases and data warehouses. These systems use established database management systems like PostgreSQL, MySQL, Oracle, or Microsoft SQL Server to store and manage organizational data. The ultimate objective of these data systems has always been to enable business intelligence and data-driven decision-making. Organizations invest in data infrastructure to extract insights, generate reports, and power analytical applications that drive business value. Whether using traditional databases or modern systems, the end goal remains consistent: transforming raw data into actionable insights that help organizations understand their customers, optimize operations, and identify new opportunities. Traditional database systems face fundamental limitations that become apparent as organizations scale. Machine processing power creates bottlenecks when handling large analytical workloads, especially complex queries that require significant CPU and memory resources. Storage limitations represent another critical constraint. Traditional databases store data on local disks or expensive SAN storage, creating both capacity limits and cost pressures as data volumes grow exponentially. These hardware constraints force organizations to make difficult choices between performance, capacity, and cost. Scaling traditional systems often requires expensive hardware upgrades or complex clustering solutions that add operational complexity. The data lake approach emerged to address these limitations by leveraging unlimited cloud storage like AWS S3, Azure Blob Storage, or Google Cloud Storage. These systems provide virtually unlimited capacity at a fraction of traditional storage costs. Cloud Object Storage offers incredible durability, availability, and geographic distribution capabilities that traditional databases couldn't match. Organizations can store petabytes of data across multiple formats without worrying about capacity planning or hardware procurement. However, raw object storage lacks the SQL interface and structured schema management that users expect for analytical workloads. The data exists, but isn't immediately accessible for business intelligence purposes. To bridge the gap between cheap storage and analytical capabilities, the data lake ecosystem developed multiple processing engines. Each engine offers different strengths for various use cases and workload types. DuckDB, Trino, Polars, Spark, etc. provides the bridging gap and provides the SQL support on this. Trino provides distributed SQL query capabilities across multiple data sources, allowing organizations to query data lakes alongside traditional databases through a unified interface. Apache Spark offers comprehensive distributed processing capabilities for both batch and streaming workloads, enabling complex transformations and machine learning workflows at scale. While multiple processing engines solved the accessibility problem, they introduced new challenges around consistency, security, and reliability. Without a unified metadata layer, different engines might see different views of the same data. Row-based access control becomes nearly impossible when data exists as files in object storage. Traditional database security models don't translate well to file-based systems, creating governance challenges for enterprise environments. Few of the common problems are No ACID transaction guarantees. Different engines see different data states. No unified metadata management. Limited security and access control. Apache Iceberg emerged as the solution to data lake limitations by providing a table format that delivers database-like guarantees on top of object storage. Iceberg brings ACID transactions, schema evolution, and consistent metadata management to data lake architectures. The beauty of Iceberg is its universal compatibility. It works seamlessly with DuckDB, Polars, Trino, Spark, and virtually any other processing engine. This compatibility means organizations can choose the best tool for each workload without being locked into a single technology. Iceberg provides universal compatibility, ACID transactions across all engines, consistent schema and metadata, time travel and versioning capabilities, hidden partitioning for performance, unified security and governance. Iceberg tables look and behave like traditional database tables from the user perspective, but leverage the scale and cost benefits of cloud object storage underneath. This combination delivers the best of both worlds. The Lakehouse architecture with Iceberg enables unprecedented flexibility in technology choices. Organizations can plug in storage solutions that best fit their requirements. From S3 cost effectiveness to high-performance storage for low-latency workloads, processing engines can be selected based on workload characteristics rather than storage compatibility. Use DuckDB for quick analysis, Spark for large-scale transformations, or Trino for cross-source queries, all against the same Iceberg tables. The Lakehouse approach with Iceberg provides a future-proof foundation that can adapt to changing requirements and emerging technologies. New processing engines can be added without migrating data or changing table structures. Thanks for exploring this architectural evolution with me. Understanding this journey from traditional databases to modern lakehouses helps explain why Apache Iceberg has become such a crucial technology for organizations building scalable, cost-effective, and flexible data platforms.